Well, I mean, you saw the magistrate walking out on us when we attempted to make the case that because of his health condition and because of the deliberate late production of the accused person in court, the court should take into account and give the client an earlier date, preferably tomorrow. But the court decided otherwise, so he will have to manage his health while in detention.